Welcome to Silk Logic's Small Business Daily Podcast, the show where we help you navigate the future of business with the latest in artificial intelligence, automation, and real-world success stories. Today, we're talking about a wild new idea, building massive data centers inside ocean wind turbines. Yes, really. Let's dive in. Our top story. San Francisco startup Aikido Technologies has announced a plan to build offshore wind turbines that double as giant, water-cooled data centers in Norway's North Sea. Just imagine, each leg of these floating wind giants can house artificial intelligence servers that stay cool thanks to the icy seawater. With the first prototype launching this year, Aikido believes it will deliver cheaper, greener computing power at the ocean's edge. Why does this matter for business? Companies need huge amounts of power for artificial intelligence and automation, but land-based data centers are running into space and electricity bottlenecks. Offshore, the turbines create their own sustainable energy and use the North Sea itself to keep servers cool, which can lower costs and help businesses run intense artificial intelligence tools without worrying about infrastructure. The big takeaway? As artificial intelligence demand soars, expect more innovation in where and how businesses host their data, and a cleaner, more cost-effective model could create new opportunities for companies of all sizes. Our next story comes from the factory floor. Agility Robotics is rolling out humanoid robots called Digit at Toyota's manufacturing plant in Canada. These robots focus on the dull, repetitive jobs that so many people simply do not want to do, like moving heavy boxes day after day. With over 400,000 open manufacturing jobs in the United States alone, robots are now bridging the gap, helping businesses stay productive even as older workers retire and fewer people apply for these roles. Not only does this boost efficiency, but manufacturers can keep up with demand without burning out their teams. For any business facing workforce shortages, automation tools might just be the solution to keeping operations running smoothly. Shifting from factories to the cloud, startup Guild.ai just raised a stunning $44 million to help companies build and manage their own artificial intelligence agents. What does that mean in plain English? Businesses can create custom automated workers that handle repetitive digital tasks like answering emails or processing orders, then use Guild.ai's platform to monitor and refine these bots, all without needing deep technical expertise. The result? Faster customer service, fewer mistakes, and the freedom for teams to focus on high-value work. The lesson here: as artificial intelligence tools become more accessible, even small teams can scale up like never before. Next up, let's talk about a new open-source automation tool for small businesses called Ivero. Think of it as the Zapier for artificial intelligence-powered workflows, except it is free and open to everyone. With Ivero, you just type out what you want done in plain English, like, every Tuesday, check my contacts and send reminders, and the platform designs and runs the workflow automatically, always requiring your approval for sensitive actions. Unlike older automation tools, Ivero comes packed with security checks and supports over 200 popular business apps out of the box. The bottom line? Small business owners get powerful automation without the cost or steep learning curve, and you stay in full control. Now, here's a story for anyone building tech solutions. Indian artificial intelligence startup Sarvam has open-sourced 2 powerful language models. That means companies, developers, and researchers across the world can freely access, tinker with, and adapt these models to their needs. These models are built for reasoning and work especially well in Indian languages, so businesses in multilingual markets can deliver better, more natural digital services and chatbots. For business owners, this growing open-source wave drives down artificial intelligence costs and makes it easier to experiment. Even the smallest business can now try things once reserved for huge tech giants. And finally, a quick note from the job market. The February jobs report shows tech sector layoffs in the United States are outpacing previous recessions. What's driving it? Experts point to the accelerating impact of artificial intelligence and automation in eliminating old roles, while creating new opportunities for those who can quickly adapt. For business owners, the message is clear. Automation and artificial intelligence are reshaping the labor landscape, but with the right upskilling and innovative tools, your company can make these changes work for you. That wraps up today's episode of Silk Logic's Small Business Daily Podcast. We saw how artificial intelligence and automation are solving problems from power shortages and labor gaps to daily workflows and language barriers. If you enjoyed these insights, hit subscribe and visit silklogic.ai for more tips and tools to keep your business ahead of the curve. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more stories you will not want to miss.